Hello friend, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to create a clicker game in Scratch. So first you have to create a new project. So after that you can delete the Scratch cards. Could either choose a sprite or draw a sprite. First we'll have to create the base of its base. So first we need what we're actually going to be clicking on. But now if we click on it, nothing happens. So we're going to add when this sprite click. Change my variable by 1. We have to delete my variable. So then we're going to make a new variable named points. Then we're going to change points by 1. So now when we click on this, that is going to change the points by 1. Now we're going to write points per sec. Which means points per second. So we have 0 points per second. So let's add a when flag click forever. Wait 1 second. Change points by 1. But we're going to change it to points per second. So now we have the boring game, and there are no upgrades. So we're going to click paint. We can just draw a rectangle. And after that, click the text tool. And then write make sure to change the text color. Then write +1 SEC. So after that, we'll have to add the costs. So let's say it will cost 20 points. So now we're going to place it here. After that, we're going to add a when flag clicked and a when this sprite clicked. So first we'll add a when this sprite clicked. Change points by 1. This time we have to change points per second by 1. But it can't just change by 1. So we don't need this clicked anymore. We're going to add an if then. Then we're going to add a point is more than so then we'll add this point is more than 50. So now you can already see that we're going to change this to change points by points per second. So we also have to add a set point to 0 and change points by 1. We're going to have to add a set point to 0. going to add 2 of them over here. So then we're going to change this to points per second. So now we'll go back here and we're going to set this to 20. You have to set this to the number before 20, which is 19. So we're going to add points here. And in the else, we're going to say, you don't have enough money. So that we save it. So now when we play it and we click on it, it's going to say we don't have enough money because we don't have any points right now. So now if I keep clicking on this, then we're going to get 20 points. After that, we're going to be able to afford it. Then we'll see that our points will change every second. So now this looks kind of bland and boring now. So we are going to add a sound. So first we go to choose a sound, and after that we'll see all of these sounds. So there are many sounds you can choose from, or you can record your own sounds by clicking this record button. Or if you just want a random sound, then you can click surprise. Then you'll see that it will bring a random sound. You can also upload a sound that you have on your computer. For now, we'll just choose a sound. So to make it more fun, we don't have to actually beat sound. You can just go to looks. Then we'll add a change size by 10. Okay, and then we'll add it in a repeat 10. Then we'll add another repeat 10, which will be change size by -10. So now we'll see that it is very scrumbly. And also, if we click on it many times, then it's going to become too giant. So to fix that, we're going to see the size that it gets. So to fix that, first we're going to change both of them into some bigger number. But you see that there's still this problem where it becomes way too big even to fit in the backdrop. So to fix that, we're going to add a set size to 100. But we're going to see that it is very rubbish and scrumbly. Also, if you want to use a bigger number, have to change the amount of time it repeats to something lower. And you'll also have to center your sprites. But now we'll see that it's very scrumbly, and it just teleports back to its normal size. So we're going to add a repeat until, and then we'll add the equals. We'll go to looks, and then we'll add size. Then we will change this to 100. We're going to add a change size by -5. So now we'll see that it is very slow. So we could write -20. So now you can add more upgrades. So now we'll find out that the amount of money we have doesn't reduce. So we're going to have to go to variables and we'll add this change points. Then we'll just change it to -20 because we said that it costs 20 points. Now you can't just be unfairly clicking on this without losing any money. So you can duplicate this and then you can add this above. So now we'll have to change the text. Let's change it to +5 points per second. It's going to cost 100 points. So we're just going to change this to 5 and then change it to -100. So now, but if we click on them after we start, it's going to say you don't have enough money. So you'll find this problem that you can get negative numbers in your points. So to fix that, then we're going to add an if then. Then we're going to add less than. Going to write 0 here. Then we're going to add points. If points less than 0. So after that, we're going to add a set points to 0. So now we can't. When you get a negative number, then it is just going to immediately change back into 0. So to make a new one, just copy it, change the text and change these. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.